All right, this is $94.50 on the Carnival Magic. As soon as you walk in, it is a balcony. You can see that. It has a place for you to put the card in so that the lights will work. And just kind of look at the arrangement here. Anthony will sleep here, a little couch beside it. Again, this is a balcony. Two twins pushed together. This room seems bigger than several of our last cruises. Got plenty of desk space. We brought our coats in here. Little places to put things. Safe is in this room over to the side. The refrigerator is right here. And we got this thing already full of drinks already. You got a chair to pull out, trash can. No USB plugs. You do have light switch there for the vanity mirror, and two 110s, and the European plug here. And we got a power strip we brought. Top drawer is usually always the place for your hair dryer. And then plenty of other storage. This one has 4 drawers. It looks like the biggest one will be on the bottom. Little table to eat off of. They'll make this up as a bed. Lamps on each side of the bed, but they are not USB available there. Does look like there is a switch back here in the back to cut things off and on. We cut them back on there. Balcony, we'll check that out in a second. Plenty of storage. Got our backpacks in there, pocketbooks, extra luggage. Extra bed linens. There's a full one on this one. Life jackets, full one on this one as well. So I don't see a lot of shelves in here. It's one thing to point out is there's not a lot of there's actually no shelving. So you're pretty much hanging your clothes. This is the one that's got the shelving, I'm sorry. So we'll put most of our clothes in this one other than the hanging over there. And let's go to the bathroom, which is typical Carnival bathroom. The blue floor, the green. Shelves on both sides. Toilet throne. Shower. I'm a big guy. 300 plus. You got the string to pull over here to hang your wet items. Shampoo, conditioner, and you got your extra outlet up here that people forget about for shaving or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to plug up. But yeah, let's go outside now. I'm digging this extra. Feels like it's about a foot wider, the room. I don't know if it really is or not, but it just feels bigger. There's a TV up there. But I'm digging this room so far. Let's go outside and look at the balcony. All right, so that's deck 5, outdoor seating area. And there must be a restaurant there. I don't know if that's Pig and Anchor. We'll check that out later on. We're on deck 9. They're still working down here. Michelle, you like the deck? Anthony, you like it? So it's not huge, but it's not small either.
And it's got an overhang, which is really nice.
Oh yeah, it does have an overhang. So that way it'll keep some of the sun off of you. I like that. You're right. And you notice some of the other decks don't have that. So deck 10 may not have that, but deck 9 does. That's gonna be cool to keep the sun off of us some. All right, we'll take a look at the balcony once we get out in the ocean as well later on the cruise. Thank you for checking this out. Thank you for checking out this video, a balcony on the Carnival Magic. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. We got plenty of videos, probably between 30 and 40 on the Carnival Magic coming your way. Hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and you'll get First dibs on the videos when they come out. Thank you guys and have a great day.